Okay, I have a last question, and this is gonna be the last one. What is the best advice for becoming fluent in English?
Practice every day, use a mirror or record yourself, practice and speak along, and eventually you will become better, I guess.
Okay, so as we have seen that I have really got some amazing answers from you. So, viewers, this is the end of our podcast. And do you like to say something for the viewers?
Yeah, keep practicing. Do not give up because if you give up, then all your hard work will be wasted. So, until next time, keep practicing.
Keep practicing. Bye bye, everyone.
Goodbye.